So here we have the Innova 3030H scan tool. I've just plugged it into my 2013 Jeep Compass, which has a check engine light on. So the first thing you see is a screen to choose the language. So I'm going to choose English. Now it's linking. So the car icon on the top left means that it's being powered by the car data connector, and the flashing link light means that it's linking to the computer and downloading information. That's what happens when the ignition's not on. Chrysler vehicle. That's a yes. One of 5. Evaporative emission system leak. That's what I thought. The gas cap was hard to remove there last week. So I can scroll down to see the different codes. First of all the green circles on top are the different monitors that are supported. So when they're solid, that means the testing has been completed. There's a total of 15 possible. Not all vehicles support all 15. If there's any monitors flashing, it means that they haven't completed their test yet. So what else? What other codes do we have? Fuel system. This is the freeze frame. Gross leak no flow. PCM not programmed. Well, that can't be right. Very small leak. Gross leak no flow.